All right, so I promised y'all more content, and more content's what I'm gonna give y'all. So I just finished my workout at the gym. Now I'm at the church to get my cardio in. This is pretty much what I do every single day. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to walk today. Looks like they're cleaning the floors, but we're gonna find out soon. And it looks like oh, they're even in there playing pickleball today. Yep. Thursday, so we're going to the left. And the pickleballers. And now it's time to get on the road, get out of this heat. It's gonna be a very short video because I have a lot of work to do. So I know y'all been hearing me say this a lot when it comes to your dispute letters. You do not need any consumer law codes in your dispute letters. You don't need any Metro 2 coding in your dispute letters. You use the FCRA to your advantage when you sue them for not doing their job. All right, since I don't have much time, this is gonna be the end of the video. So just because I got so much to do today, I can't put this stuff off. New people are signing up. I gotta get them litigation underwriting agreements. I gotta help them get all 3 credit reports from annualcreditreport.com, as well as their Innovis report from innovis.com. But just know you don't need consumer laws in your dispute letters. You don't need no Metro 2 coding, no Metro 2 software, no consumer law software. You just need factual disputing. Point out the facts. That's all you need. Use consumer laws to your advantage when you sue the credit reporting agencies, debt collectors, and even the original creditors. Hope y'all have a great night.